Hi, it's Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to demonstrate how to get started with Unit 6, which is dealing with custom styles and building blocks in our CSIT 125 Word class. So from our unit assignments page in Blackboard, we click into Unit 6. Notice that this unit assignment project is due by midnight on March 17th, 2017. So I'm going to go ahead and click into Unit 6. And on the overview page, it discusses the two basic content areas of this unit. It talks about styles, what word styles are, the different types of styles that Word uses, and it also talks about how you can create your own custom styles, which is an important part of the unit as well. If you keep scrolling up, you'll see that I've put in some illustrations, some screenshots, and some directions on what styles look like, and for example, this picture is a document that doesn't have any styles applied to it at all, and if you keep scrolling up, you'll see that a style has been applied to part of the document here, the title. Keep going and you get down into word style sets, which are bigger than just one single style. It's a bunch of styles put together into a particular set with a certain look and feel about it. And so it gives you a demonstration of that, or rather an example of that. And as you keep going, you get into the other of the two main content areas in Unit 6, building blocks. So it talks about what building blocks are, defines them, and discusses a little bit about what you're going to be doing with building blocks, and there's an illustrated picture there as well where to find building blocks in Word. Here's the list of the skills covered. Let me magnify that a little bit. There's a bulleted list of the skills that you're going to learn in Unit 6, how to create and use your own styles from the Style Gallery, how to customize documents, how to use the building blocks organizer, which is basically kind of like a dialog box that you can use and organize your building blocks, especially the custom ones you make, and how to use something called the Quick Parts Gallery. So you're going to be covering that, and then a summary of the tasks for Unit 6 is here at the bottom. Here you're going to read Chapter 6. You're going to watch a couple of videos I made for you, one that shows how to use styles and one that shows how to use building blocks. You're going to build a custom word style of your own and post a screenshot picture of it into the Blackboard Discussion 6 forum in Blackboard. And the project you're going to do for Unit 6 is a SimNet project, so please be sure to use the start file within the SimNet. You're going to be clicking on the blue project link and things like that that you've done before. So I'm going to click and rather scroll back up to the top of my page, and the other page in Unit 6 is this one called the assignment instructions. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And here it gives you detailed instructions, directions on what to do. Here are the links to the custom styles video I created and the building blocks video I created. And if you keep going, it tells you that you do have two different chances to upload and submit your project into SimNet. If you don't like the score you get first, you can redo your work and submit it a second time for a better score, but take note of what SimNet tells you is wrong with it the first time so that you can maybe improve it. And down further the page, it talks about the discussion board file post that is part of the requirement here for Unit 6. You don't have to type answers to questions here. All you're going to do is upload a picture file you're going to take. Now it tells you here what to do, but it also there's also a link here, a video that I created on how to take a screenshot and save it as a picture file. So for those of you that don't know how to do that, you can watch this video and you'll see how it's done. It's really not hard. It's really pretty easy. If you keep scrolling up the page, there's some additional resources here you can click. These are websites you can click into that might help you understand a little bit better about word styles and building blocks. And then the evaluation is here. You're going to be doing, the project in SimNet is a newsletter project. You're going to work with a newsletter. Basically, you're going to modify an existing one. You don't have to write one or create one. You're just going to take one that already exists and modify it. And it's worth 40 points. Your custom style picture that you're going to post to the discussion board is worth 10 points. And please remember to take the Chapter 6 quiz at the end of Chapter 6, or rather when you're done reading it, come back into Blackboard and take the Chapter 6 quiz, worth 5 points. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, don't forget this is due by March 17th. Thank you for watching.